This is a defective Toyota alternator. It only charges under 14 volt. I'm going to show you how I take it apart and diagnose the problem. Take off these 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, and also 2 of the screws here. If you find that it's a little bit tough for removing the screw, put some penetration oil here. So the whole thing should be able to be coming out like this. First of all, inspect the brush. This brush still looks very good. Still look very good. Next, check the stator winding. The stator windings are inside. Altogether, there are 3 stator windings. Put the negative to the ground, and then touch this one. Is 0.7 ohm, 0.7 ohm, 0.7 ohm. All stator windings are good. Check the slip rings of the rotor. It is 2.7 ohms. It's good. Now to check the rectifier out, and first connect this positive to the positive terminal, and there is no conductivity. And then reverse this, and then we can see that is 581 ohm, so it looks fine to me. In order to double check that, I'm going to check each and every dial separately. This is the first dial, is 559 ohms, is good. That is the second dial, is 585 ohm, good. This is the third dial, is 593 ohms, good. So in order to verify that 100%, we reverse this. And the positive here, and there is no conductivity here. There is no conductivity here. There is no conductivity here. No conductivity here, and there is no conductivity here. So it means that this is good. If the alternator is bad, the only thing left is this regulator. The conclusion of this defective alternator is the bad regulator. It's either to replace the regulator or to replace the whole alternator. To put this back, then use the screwdrivers, push the brush in, and then the second one, and then it should be all sit in good. And then just put all this screw back, and this and this. And now these brush assembly can be replaced. Okay, you can replace the brush just by itself. Now tighten it all up properly. Make sure these are all tight. Don't make it too tight and you might break the screw. Make sure that it's tight too. That's good.